This is the video guide that will help you to get rid of fake Windows helpline alerts. These fake alerts claim to be the message from Windows Security Center, but this is not true. These are fake alerts and you should not trust or tolerate them. Such pop-ups are absolutely fake and obviously very deceptive. These pop-ups try to make you scared about the situation with your computer in order to force users into calling this fake Windows support number. Do not ever trust these deceptive messages. Once again, you should leave this deceptive page. What I also recommend you to do is researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other infections which could possibly still remain on the computer. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.